In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this wheel center cap on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Taking the old cap off, you can use a straight blade screwdriver, and if you don't want to damage the wheel, just use a little rag and just put it behind the screwdriver. There's a couple of slots right there and there that you can get in and just pop the cap out, just like that. Pull the old one out. On the back side of the cap, you're going to see this little bump out. That little bump out is going to go on the opposite side of where the valve stem is, so like right over here. So you want to slide that in that area, line it up, and just tap it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.